Greetings from Motor India and welcome to the show. We have today with us Saharsh Damani, who is the CEO of FADA. Saharsh, welcome.
Hi.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you for
what's
me.
happening here? Because the GST announcement came last week, and then the end consumers are very much kicked up. But I think there's pain for the dealerships. So if you can explain how you are going to address it, how the dealership community is going to address it.
Yeah, before answering your question, I should first mention that it is a watershed moment for the entire country. When Honorable PM on 15th August from Red Fort announced landmark reforms to shape up, which will definitely bring in a lot of consumption. It will give a boost to the consumption, ailing segments like the entry-level cars, which are not seeing good traction, will start seeing good traction now because of a flat bare minimum 11% GST cut. But on the other hand, as dealers, we have been taking vehicles from auto OEMs, which also includes cess at this point of time. And as you know, we are in the festive season, which means working capital requirement of dealers have gone up because the inventory levels have gone up, and hence the value of cess has also gone up. But there is no clarity from the government yet on whether this cess can be adjusted against CGST or IGST, and hence we have been requesting the Honorable Finance Minister, the CBEC Chairman, and Revenue Secretary that this amount should be adjusted against CGST or IGST, the way excise and VAT, when they were transitioning into GST, at that point of time, excise and VAT was being adjusted in GST. Okay. Similarly, the cess value should also get adjusted with IGST or CGST because it's a huge amount. And bare minimum, back of the envelope calculation when we did, it was an amount of 2,500 crore. That's at the minimal level. The amount is much beyond this, and therefore you would be seeing that both OEMs and dealers are coming out with schemes, and they are matching the discount to the tune which a customer would be getting 22nd September onwards, so that vehicles start getting sold right now. And the more the vehicles are being sold at this point of time, the cess value for dealers reduce, and therefore that negative impact also reduces in the same level.
But at the same time, no, from the consumer point of view, they will rather wait till 22nd and then get the benefit.
I don't think so. Whatever discount they will start getting because of the reduced GST from 22nd, many OEMs and dealers have started offering the same rate right now. So it will in fact help them to purchase their vehicles now so that they can get delivery on the auspicious day of the Navratri. Specific variant, specific color, date, time.
Yeah, that's an important
people are
point,
very particular about that. So if you do the booking now at the same rate, you will be able to get the vehicle delivered on time. But if you wait till 22nd, the rates will be same, but there is no guarantee that your vehicle delivery will be in that auspicious period. I'll hence request customers to come forward, make their purchasing decision now, so that their vehicle of choice is being delivered to them on their specific date when they are what they are.
So there is no worry on inventories at dealerships.
So no, there is ample amount of inventory. 57 days of inventory is what we are sitting on, which is almost 2 months of inventory. There is no dirt of inventory with us, but what we are requesting customers, because there are multiple colors, multiple variants involved. Correct. So please do your booking now so that you are not, deframed from not having your choice of vehicle from 22nd onwards.
Now going back to the government thing that you were in touch with, what is the feedback or indication that you are getting?
So there's no specific feedback till now, but there was a cabinet secretary meeting which happened 2 days back, and we had strongly put our point to heavy industries because that's the nodal ministry which auto comes under. So Secretary MHI had understood our point, and he strongly put forward the point in front of the cabinet secretary, and revenue secretary was also part of the meeting. So cabinet secretary has requested him to look into this matter, because if something which could have been done when excise and VAT was transitioning into GST, same thing should be done, looked into now, and that can also be done right now. So it's matter is under examination from Revenue Secretary. Let's hope for the best.
And what are the other key issues that FADA is facing, or the dealerships are facing?
So the biggest issue right now is for us is obviously the cess issue. Apart from that, there are day-to-day issues which keep on coming, but they are all minor issues. It is not required to be spoken at this point of time. in our entire focus of the auto
Is on
industry
this.
is right now on how to tackle
Tackle this.
this animal called cess.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Saharsh. Thanks
thank you.
so much for your time. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Bye.
Thank you.